Hello, this is Al Lopez with Solution Gem, showing you here how to replace a broken dome from an LP2844 to another dome from an older printer. But the domes are compatible, so I'll be able to show you how that works. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna use the cable that came with the older printer. We're gonna use this cable to route the cable from the older printer. So the easiest thing to do that is just to tape them. Well, first I need to remove this cable from this printer. You can also do it with a wire, but we found this to be much easier. So we just grab it like this, like so, and then we're gonna put some tape on them. Right now I'm just using electrical tape. There's several other ways, but I found it to be the easiest. So I just go like this. I just put them together like so. Okay, so now I'm using the old cable to just pull this cable through the printer. You might have to wiggle it a little bit. Okay, so now this one's here. So now we just take it off. And then we don't need this no more, we can toss it. This particular system, this particular printer only has these two tabs. So we recommend using the printers that have this type of feed button. So I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna take this off. All right, so I'm gonna take all of these out of here. And we're gonna use the old cable that is in here, and we're gonna connect it as well. So you have to make it as thin as possible so it fits perfectly on those little crevices. So we go like this. This one is gonna be our donor. So we're gonna bend it a little bit. There's several different ways. This is just one way of doing it. So make sure all of these, try to make it as thin as possible. And then we're gonna use this cable as well. Okay, make sure it's nice and strong. So now we're just gonna wiggle this. Then pull it inside, pull, push, and pull, push, and pull. Okay, now we have all the cables. Now we can take it off, and then you can finish assembling the printer. Let us know if you have any questions. Bye.